Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:15 p.m., a large severe thunderstorm was located over DuPage and Cook counties, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Joliet, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Romeoville, Plainfield, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Lansing, Oak Forest, Harvey, Lockport, New Lenox, Homer Glen, Blue Island, Dalton, Park Forest, Homewood, Madison, Mokina, Frankfort, Lamont, Channahon, Steger, and Wilmington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.